Tone and pitch, improving your English pronunciation. Welcome to our English language learning video series. In this video, we will explore an important aspect of pronunciation: tone and pitch. Understanding tone and pitch will help you communicate more effectively and sound more natural when speaking English. So, let's dive in. Tone and pitch are two fundamental elements of speech that greatly impact the meaning and interpretation of words and sentences. Tone refers to the quality or character of your voice, while pitch refers to the highness or lowness of your voice. When it comes to tone, we can have various types, such as authoritative, friendly, sarcastic, or questioning. Each tone conveys a different emotion or intention, so it's crucial to understand how tone influences the message you want to convey. Pitch, on the other hand, refers to the musicality of your voice. It determines whether your voice sounds high or low. A higher pitch often expresses excitement, surprise, or emphasis, while a lower pitch conveys seriousness, calmness, or intensity. In English, tone and pitch play a significant role in conveying meaning, emphasizing certain words or phrases, and expressing emotions. Let's take a look at how they affect different aspects of English pronunciation. Word stress. Word stress refers to the emphasis placed on certain syllables within a word. By using tone and pitch effectively, you can correctly stress the syllables that carry the most meaning. This helps you convey the intended message and avoid misunderstandings. Remember to listen carefully to native English speakers and observe how they use tone and pitch to stress specific syllables in words. Practicing word stress will greatly enhance your spoken English. Sentence intonation. Intonation refers to the rise and fall of your voice when speaking in sentences. It helps convey the intended meaning, express emotions, and indicate different sentence types, such as questions, statements, or exclamations. By understanding the patterns of sentence intonation, you can communicate more effectively and sound more natural. Pay attention to the rising or falling patterns in sentences and practice imitating them. Expressing emotions. Tone and pitch are essential for expressing emotions accurately in English. Whether you're happy, sad, surprised, or angry, your tone and pitch should align with the emotion you want to convey. Experiment with different tones and pitches to convey specific emotions effectively. Practice speaking sentences with different emotions and adjust your tone and pitch accordingly. Now that we understand the importance of tone and pitch in English pronunciation, let's explore some tips to improve them. 1. Listen to native English speakers. Pay close attention to their tone and pitch variations and try to imitate them. 2. Watch movies, TV shows, and videos. Observe how actors or presenters use tone and pitch to convey meaning and emotions. 3. Practice reading aloud. Choose a variety of texts and practice speaking them with different tones and pitches. 4. Record yourself. Use your smartphone or a recording device to record your voice. Listen to the recordings and assess how well you're using tone and pitch. 5. Get feedback. Ask a native English speaker or language teacher to provide feedback on your tone and pitch. They can offer valuable insights and suggestions for improvement. Remember, improving tone and pitch takes time and practice. Keep experimenting, listening, and speaking to gradually develop your skills. Congratulations on completing this video on tone and pitch in English pronunciation. By mastering tone and pitch, you'll be able to express yourself more effectively.